For our final project, our group decided to create a website entitled Grub. Grub allows for its users to access thousands of healthy recipes online, save those recipes to their profile, and add ingredients from those healthy recipes to a grocery list to use when they go grocery shopping. When our group was discussing potential problems, a big problem we found for students and for busy parents was that finding healthy recipes online and making grocery lists is hard. We wanted to find a way to support healthy eating and also centralize the process of finding healthy recipes and making grocery lists from those healthy recipes. In doing so, we realized we'd allow students and busy parents to spend less time searching for healthy recipes, less time at the grocery store, and more time outside or being able to focus on other tasks. Based on our storyboard session, we received a lot of feedback. We learned that we should include as many recipes as possible from whatever API we find so that people who search from so many different recipes have a lot of recipes to choose from. Additionally, we should limit the number of tabs that we use and have a profile page that includes both the grocery list itself and the favorites of the recipes that users chose. Additionally, people wanted to know that they could filter their searches based on some of their needs, such as dietary restrictions, the origin of the recipe, or some other factor that users can narrow down their searches. Lastly, users should be able to have a checklist of ingredients that when they go to the grocery store, they know they can check off certain ingredients that they found in the grocery store.
Here are some of the capabilities that we've baked into Grub to give the website real-life utility. Most importantly, our search functionality is hooked up to an external API with access to tons of recipes. This allows for the user to discover new meals or find even the most obscure recipes. Upon searching recipes, the user is given the agency to filter the results based on user preferences or dietary restrictions. Another functionality of the results page is the ability to both heart a recipe, which saves it locally to the profile page, and add the ingredients from that recipe to the user's grocery list. This list is automatically generated and stored in the profile page below the user's saved recipes. We made changes to Grub based on feedback given during the project bake-off day. For example, the ability to feature by dietary preferences came as a result of questions asked during our presentation. If we were to continue building out Grub, some of the next steps we'd take would be to implement the ability to export grocery lists as Apple Notes or PDFs and authentication so users could access their recipes and lists from different devices.